Hello everyone, and today we're gonna be reviewing and unboxing this FIFINE AM AM8 wired XLR USB RGB gaming dynamic microphone. As you may know, this is me talking to the microphone itself, so you can judge the mic quality. When I got this in TikTok, I got this for 3,050. I got 3 vouchers though. Actual price is around 3,250, and as you can see, it's densely packed. It has bubble wrap, very tight casing. As you can see, me struggle with opening it. So this is its designs. It has a seal beside it, and then you just gotta take it out. And then you can see the manual. This is the manual. This is the stand. And when you open it, you can see the mic itself. It's quite big. It's almost as big as 2 cell phones. It has a USB Type-C cord along with a pop filter to reduce those popping sounds like puh, puh, like I'm doing right now.
Tayo na pindot, sir.
Here you can see the different colors of the RGB, from the multicolor to red, orange, green, blue, violet, pink, and other different colors.